hi to? You see this one? Haha, got you guys. Not another rock video. It's going to be a mail video. The postage lady just came and we're gonna go do an unboxing. You do an unboxing video? Zena, you want to? Aries. Hey guys, my wonderful husband got me a gift, so we are going to unbox it together and see what it is. Alright, got this cut open. Get it out of here. Now, I already know what it is. I've been waiting on it for a couple days, and I'm super excited. Voila. Check that out. I can't even fit it all the way in the screen. Let's see if I can get it further away. Nope, still not going to fit. This is a content creator's kit. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to use it. Many of you know that I've been having problems with my cell phone since the flood. I dropped it in the water. And so I've been having a lot of problems trying to make videos. The microphone was acting screwy in video and stuff, so he went online, did some research. Now, I have some fun new stuff to learn. Let's see if there's some instructions in here. Yeah. Oh wow, there's a lot of instructions. So not going to bore you with that. We have, these look like different straps, harnesses. There's an SD card, there's a battery, a USB cord. What is this thing? What is the name of it? It is a video log, content creator, MND 60V. Pretty cool, pretty cool. That's a lot of instructions. That's like a book. That's not a pamphlet, that's a book. This is a, oh wow, that is a microphone. Ooh, it's so soft. That feels like a rabbit. Let's see, camera. Oh wow, that's nice. All digital. Ultra 4K. Alright, no more blurry videos for me. What's this little thing here? That feels like a battery or something. Oh, it's the plug for the USB. Let's see. Oh, I'm not gonna pull all this stuff out just yet. I wait on that. Oh, cool. This is going to be where you attach the camera, and then it's got all the controls right there. Power, output, input. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh, this is a camera lens. Ooh, macro camera lens. I'm totally obsessed with macro. I love it. Even before it had a name. I never knew that's what it was called. There's actually another name for it. Video LED light. Cool. What is up here? Oh, this is a nice little case. Oh, okay, here's a little bag for the lenses and for the microphone. The leather pouch. I like the leather pouch. Alright, let's see here. In this bag, these are going to be attached here. Make it the tripod. There's the USB power cord, another USB cord, small little battery. This is something. I'll have to read the directions. SD card. And what else? A little camera strap. Black on black. There we go. Alright, let's get it put together. We're going to see how long this takes me. Alright, my phone says 107. See, look, just going cuckoo, it does whatever it wants. Just from that little tiny crack right there, and I dropped it in the water, and I think the water got in right there, and just all kinds of crazy stuff. So, alright, 107 it is. Alright, so I got the tripod put together. So these little pieces that I thought went there for the tripod are not that. I have to figure that part out. It's a nice little tripod. It's nice and sturdy. Alright, now let's get to the other part. Alright, we have power. Got the battery in, plugged in and charging. Little indicator light. Just got to install the SD card. So I'm going to do that next. Almost there. SD card installed. Alright, the camera is on and working. Got battery in, SD card's in, it's charging. I was surprised, it does say in the instructions you can use it while it's charging. Usually these things you have to, when you first get them, charge the battery for like 12 hours or some crazy stuff before even using it, but per the instructions here, I just read them twice. It does say you can use it while it's charging. So now that we got that working, now I get to figure out what all these little symbols and buttons do. Fun, fun. I have light. LED light set up. And let me tell you, this thing is bright because I'm outside and it's full sun. It's got some really cool options too. Check this out. I can turn the, oh, let me focus this. I can turn the brightness up on the light. I can turn it down, and I could change the color of the light. Isn't that freaking awesome? Alright, now let's work on this microphone. Alright, official time I'm going to call 2:35. I didn't do the macro lens yet, but I have everything else set up. We're cooking now. Let's see. Let's test the recording. Alright. Hey guys, I'm recording me, recording you on the other recording device. Hey there. Alright. Now I just gotta learn how to play back the video. I'm sure I'll figure it out. So yeah. Major brownie points for hubby, yeah? What do you guys think? Pretty cool, isn't it? I'm super excited. I have, oh, what time did I say it was? 2:30? I've got about an hour, hour and a half that I get to use this and play with this and figure out all these settings and take some cool videos. Matter of fact, I'm gonna head right there to the creek. Maybe you can see it through the trees are all grown up now. Oh yeah, one more thing. The premiere would have already happened. So if you didn't watch my last premiere, go watch it. The Ember and Eclipse Collection. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Alright, I think I have it figured out here. Push this right playback button. And then zoom out. Oh, let me put it there where you can see it. Select the video. Play. I keep touching it like it's a touch screen. thought I had it figured out. Alright, back to the drawing board. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Zoom in. That is, oh, that's Aries blanket hanging up there. I hang it up there during the daytime to let it air out. And let's start recording. Alright, my indicator light's blinking. A little red light right there says I'm recording. So I should be recording here and recording here. Hey guys, can you see me? Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, stop that. And let's pull it up. I was able to do it a while ago and pull it up and see it, but I didn't have sound. I forgot to turn the microphone on. They're still not playing back the video. I don't know why. I'm doing something wrong right here. I was gonna leave this little screen cover on. It's got it right here. You can see. You see, got the little tab right there for the plastic you take off. Cause I'm horrible about scratching screens, so I was gonna leave it on, but I think I'm gonna have to take it off to use this touchscreen because it won't register unless it's not touchscreen. And I'm just pushing it for no reason. But I get to right there where it shows the video, but I can't get it to play back. And check this out. Let me change modes. Alright, let me go to photo. See, now it's got the little camera in the top corner. So I know I'm taking a picture instead of a video. There's the picture. And I do the same thing. See? I can get it to bring up the picture. And there's the video. But I can't get the video to play. Oh yeah, that's the photo. Well, I guess I'll just have to keep messing with it and figure it out. But I've got everything hooked up, and yeah, that's everything. Content Creator Kit. And I noticed in the back of this book, it's got more accessories you can buy for it, so I'm going to get back and see if I can get this video playback to work.